Hello guys, good afternoon. Now it's almost 3:30 and I'm starting my vlog really very late. Given that yesterday evening I was working on a POC, I was stuck with a lot of challenging work. Finally, today morning I got a breakthrough and I would say it's almost like 50 to 60%. I'm sure that the thing which I'm trying to achieve should be done. And secondly, now I was feeling really very sleepy, and then I got a call from the courier that we are we have arrived at your doorstep. Please come inside, come downstairs and collect your package. And then I had to rush to my uh, PG downstairs. Sorry for all the mess. I'll try to clear it up maybe just after the office. I do have a meeting in next 12 minutes though. In the meantime, I'll try to unbox this particular thing. This is nothing but uh, vitamin E capsules. I'll try to check how many of them I have received. Yeah, that is also one of the important things. Looks like age factor is definitely impacting now. I'm consuming a lot of medicines. Okay, let me quickly open and check and show you how exactly it is and what exactly it is. In the sense, whether I have received the appropriate medicines or not. Okay, these are the capsules I have received. I think it's 9 strips. So each strip is having 10 tablets or capsules. So it comes down to 90. That is enough for me for next 6 months. I think the expiry date I haven't checked. It is in October 2027. Good. Okay. Partially I'll give it to my wife once I go there. Chalo, I'll try to clean up all the mess around and then prepare for the what we say prepare for the meeting. Yeah, I'll keep it inside for now. Unfortunately, I don't have any immunities, because of which this unboxing looks really very messy. I'm someone who prefers keeping everything intact. Unfortunately, I don't have anything. I did not have anything to unbox it properly. So this is screwed entirely. I'll try to have something to open such small boxes. It looks terrible now. I I really hate this kind of unboxing. But it's okay. I'm in a hostel in a PG. I can't do much. Chalo, see you in the evening. Though one of my friend is here today. I'll be meeting him after quite some time. I think he'll be staying in Hyderabad for a day or so, or maybe just for tonight. We'll see. Uh, Okay, that's it. Bye. Sorry for the interruption in the video. I am also attaching my breakfast, and this I'm recording now. At the time of editing, I found that I did not record anything with respect to breakfast, and in fact nothing with respect to my regular work. Okay, I'll try to attach this in the somewhere in the video. Hello. So I have walked almost 3.5 kilometers to reach Gachibowli now. It's almost 7 o'clock, and I'm waiting for one of my friends who will be leaving from office at around 7, and it should take at least 30 to 40 minutes for him to reach. And in the meantime, if you observe, this is where I am at this point of time. This place is known as Gachibowli. Cross, and then I walked all the way from this PG till Gachibowli. It is roughly around 3.5 kilometers. Good part is I am not exhausted. Still, I am not exhausted. And in the meantime, even I am also checking for few other things. Let me share you that as well. I was going through my own video. Okay, Harshit. Thank you so much, Harshit. Today I'm feeling much better. I hope I should be able to record something. For some time I was speaking to my wife and she is not doing well today. I hope she gets well soon. I do miss her a lot, but unfortunately because of work and her commitments, my commitments, things are not in place at this point of time. But yeah, soon it will be for sure. And most importantly, my friend is coming to this friend's Gachibowli for some sort of shopping. So I'll just accompany him so that I can speak to him for some time and then head back to my PG, have my dinner, and get back to sleep. That's it. And look at the traffic, guys. It's in a horrible state. I'm very happy that today I'm not in my two-wheeler nor in my four-wheeler. So if you observe all around, this is the condition of the traffic. Okay, I think that's pretty much it. I don't have anything more to share. Probably after my friend reaches here, I'll record something. Just check what all things we are getting, what all offers we do have in Reliance Trends, and then head back home. I think it should take again 45 to 50 minutes for me to reach, given that I love brisk walking rather than running around. So yeah, that's the update for now. Once I start from here, hopefully by 8, I think the best possible time for me to start from here is 8. So if I start at 8, I'll reach there by 9 o'clock and then have my dinner and sleep. That's the plan for today. And best part for today, I'm feeling much better and I did not had office. In the sense, it was work from home for today since it is a hybrid setup. So I completed all my work today. You might have seen a bit of what we say, my work. I explained a bit just before some time. It is there in the previous clip. So I'm really very happy given that I have completed most of the things which was quite challenging for me. Yeah, I think that's it. So yeah, as I was saying, I could not walk all the way till my office. Usually what happens here is every day I am a person who loves walking nowadays. So I used to walk till my office. It's around 2.5 kilometers from my beach. So today I could not walk and I was thinking, oh, today I could not walk. I cannot go anywhere. So all of a sudden I got a call from my friend. I am here, so we need to meet. And I was like, okay, coming, no problem. So instead of booking a cab or taking a scooty or a bike taxi, I preferred walking. I reached here. That is enough for this 4 minutes of buck. Once I get out of this particular place, I'll again record something. Chalo. And most importantly, who says traffic is not there in Hyderabad? See this. But still, it is much better than Bangalore for sure. Chalo. Bye. Now it's 7:20 around. There are people, so I cannot point there for their privacy concern. Okay. Now if you observe, it is almost evening. Unfortunately, I am stuck in rain, and in fact my friend is also stuck there because of rain. I insisted, if you check the lights, you will get to know how much it is raining. Yeah, just in front of the headlights, if you observe, it is raining very heavily now. Now the problem is, if he travels in bike or car till this particular place, it should take at least 20 minutes, and if he sits in bike for 20 minutes, he will be completely drenched. So that's the only reason I said, don't think about coming here right now. It's okay, if needed we can meet after some time. If worst case possible, tomorrow morning we'll meet. Should not be a concern, but don't come in this particular rain. Worst part is he is not having his umbrella as well. So fortunately I have brought my umbrella, so if needed I can easily head back home with my umbrella. And now at this particular time there is no traffic as well, best part. So let's see how it goes. I'm not sure when he's going to get some chance to start from his office. Again, it's not a complaint, it is just that just because of rain, I literally wanted him not to come. That's why he's staying there, waiting there to so that the rain stops. Okay guys, I'll keep you guys posted. Just got a call from him and he has already started. What to say? इतना मना किया यार, बारिश में भीग के मत आओ. Unfortunately, he is in a hurry. Not sure why. I think it should take max 10 minutes for him to reach here. It is just 5 kilometers from here. ठीक है, let's see. Post which probably will get into Reliance Trends just to check what exactly the offers they are running. And if everything is good, I think he is going for some clothes. I'm not sure about it though. Let's see. And the plan is to start from here by 8 or 8:15. Let's see how it goes, such that I reach on time for food. I really don't want to miss my PG food today. Not today, every day. Sorry, to rectify. Okay, thank you.
काम करेंगे, दोनों रख लेंगे. थोड़ा इसका कलर अच्छा लग रहा है फिलहाल. मतलब दोनों
इधर वाला या इधर वाला कौन सा अच्छा लग रहा है?
सेम ही है.
हाँ, ये थोड़ा डार्क है, ये थोड़ा लाइट है. हाँ. These are the collections from PP Jeans.
कलेक्शंस मस्त है. ठीक है ये. का नहीं दिख रहा है भाई, इसमें दिख रहा है थोड़ा.
हाँ, फॉर्मल ही है. पूरा फॉर्मल नहीं है यार, कैजुअल.
कैजुअल फॉर्मल.
Now the time is around 9:18, so we decided to have our dinner here. It's very late anyways, so with this we can get some time to speak to each other. And this is how the menu looks like. You can pause for a while to check the menu. My friend is vegetarian, so we opted for a egg biryani. Let's see how it is.
ಗಾಯತ್ರಿ ನೋಡು ಸರಾಗಿಟ್ಟು ಇದು ಮಾಡಿ
Hi, now it's 10:32. Just started the recording to close the video. I'm completely exhausted. So from Gachibowli I took a bus to nearby bus stop. And then from there I ran towards my PG. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it for today. See you soon. So yeah, as I was saying, I took a bus from there. So this is the place where I was. This is Gachibowli X Road. From here I took the bus and got down nearby this biodiversity, this one. From here I did walk, crossed the signal, came to PG, had a bit of dinner. I was so exhausted that I could not record the dinner as well. It was some veg pulao or biryani, I would say, and a couple of eggs. That's it. Okay, chalo, see you. Bye bye. Where am I? Here you go. Ciao. That's my PG name. SV Royal Brand Kohli PG. It's a very good PG. Moreover, the owners are very good. चलो सी यू.